All right. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you're having a good day. What are we, Thursday already of this week? So it's moving by very quickly. Needed to remind you, make sure you're taking roll. The other thing is that I put all the grades for the process journals into the grade book. So some of you guys might be missing things. If you are missing anything, I am nice and will let you make up stuff late. But what you need to do is at the end of class, when I say, does anyone need help or have questions, that's when you need to come to me and say, hey, Mr. A, I redid the fire inspection sheet. Can you grade it for me? And then I'll grade it right there in front of you. Okay. But I'm not going to go back and forth with emails on it because it's just too confusing. We have too many links, too many emails and all that. So if you want something regraded, then you just got to tell me, Mr. A, here's what I need regraded, and I'll do it right there at the end of class for you. And you can see at the same time. I'll grade it right at the same time. So if you need anything redone, that's how I want you to do it. Okay. I did put some comments in on the roller coaster stuff too. Any big project, I usually put comments in, so you can always read comments at the bottom of the slide. That way I can give you guys feedback. So if you need that, that's always available to you. Okay, for today, let me grab up this link real quick here. Okay, so here is what we are going to do. So today will be kind of a fun day because you get to actually go out into your house and do some stuff instead of sitting at the computer all day. Let me put the link in there just in case people don't have it still. There we go. Okay, so I just put the link in chat. That's the link to what I'm showing you right now. It's also in Otis, so you can always go and check it. But these are your directions for today. So this is what you'll be doing today. You'll be finishing slide 13, which is simply this. You're going to create a slide and title it Heating and Air Conditioning. You're going to read through that web page that we read through yesterday. So if you were here yesterday, you don't have to do it. Cabanas. Okay, so number 2 is read through that thing we did yesterday. Again, if you already did it, you don't need to do it again. Number 3 says watch the video. That's the one we watched yesterday. If you were here, you don't have to do it. 4, watch a video. Again, if you were here yesterday, you don't have to watch it. Then we get to number 5. You're going to download that heating and air conditioning inspection report. It's a very simple one. I already made it. You just click on that, and then you're going to make a copy of it. You'll rename it Filter Inspection Report, and then you'll just follow the directions on the report. They're going to have you go through your house, find the air conditioning filter, check it, see what condition it's in, and maybe replace it too. Although more than likely you're not going to have a spare one at your house. You'll probably have to figure out what size it is, write the numbers down, tell your parents, and then if they want to get another one, they can get it. Okay? Some of you might have spares on hand too that you could replace if it looks bad. But at any rate, you're going to check it and then possibly replace it. Okay, so follow the directions on the report. It guides you through exactly what to do. Once you've done that, you're going to post a Google Doc on your slide, and then you're going to add a picture of an AC filter and a picture of an air conditioning unit. I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. So this is what a perfect example of a done slide looks like. It's got your title, it's got the pictures that you were supposed to post, and then it has a link to the inspection report that you made. So all I have to do is click on this link and it will bring up your inspection report. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing today, is you're going to fill out your inspection report and then you're going to be making that slide to put it on. Okay, so let me stop sharing here and then I'll ask if anyone's got questions. All right, anyone have questions on what they're doing?
Where do we find the report?
It's on that slide. Everything you need will always be on that process journal, that direction sheet that I give you. It's the slides that I just posted in chat. Okay, very last slide has all the directions and it will have all the links to all the videos and everything that you need. Okay, any other questions? It's okay. If you live in an apartment, you can still check the air filter. Each room will have an air filter. It's an easy thing to open up and close. It's very simple. It doesn't take a lot of skill. Just be gentle when you do it. Okay, I'm going to share the link to the slide, but it makes me nervous when you guys say, where do we find all these links? Because we've been using the same exact thing all year long. It's the same slideshow. It doesn't change. It's in Otis. It's in the bookshelf. One says directions, one says perfect example. So you can see what a perfect example looks like. You can also see the directions. It's all in that slideshow. Your slide 13 matches my slide 13. Very, very simple. Everything I assign you's there. Everything you turn in is on yours. That way we both have only one thing we have to keep track of. Okay, any other questions? Yes, so once you guys know what you're doing, you're free to leave today. You can just go check that out and finish your slide. That's all I have for you today. So somebody asked, why did they get an IE on a grade? IE means you didn't do it. There are a few of you that tried to turn something in, but you didn't give me permission to see it. So that's always a possibility too. But in general, an IE just means you didn't do it. Yes, they're all graded. As of yesterday, they're all graded, yeah.